Is not the end of this legal battle for the KCPD or the Lamb family. KCTV5's Betsy Webster continues our team coverage now with a closer look at what comes next.
Well, besides the criminal case that was adjudicated today in Jackson County Court, there is also a wrongful death lawsuit that's been filed here in federal court, accusing the Board of Police Commissioners of institutional failure that extends beyond the shooting death of Cameron Lamb.
Say his name!
The Dallas-based lawyer who joined Cameron Lamb's family today outside the Jackson County Courthouse is the one who filed a civil suit on behalf of Cameron Lamb's 4 children.
This was the first conviction of a KCPD officer in its 150-year history. And what that means is not that they are somehow free of guilt until now, but the system has failed this community until now. And now we have a responsibility to continue to push to identify the failures that exist within KCPD.
The lawsuit claims the Board of Police Commissioners, quote, failed to properly train, supervise, screen, discipline, and more. Plus, it accused the Kansas City Police Department of a, quote, consistent and systematic failure to properly train and supervise its officers on the proper use of force and techniques and principles of de-escalation. A formal response filed by the board's attorney denied those allegations. Kansas City's mayor is on the Board of Police Commissioners, and though he has feuded in the past with commissioners and the department over budget and priorities, his tone today was generally supportive.
This was a tragic situation for all parties involved, but I don't see this as an indictment broadly on the Kansas City Police Department. I know that the men and women of our law enforcement community will continue to go out and do the important work to keep this city safe.
The mayor today said he is calling an emergency meeting of the Board of Police Commissioners for Monday afternoon to discuss today's verdict. In Kansas City, Missouri, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
And in a statement to KCTV5 News, the KCPD says every officer-involved shooting is difficult, not only for the members in the community, but also the members of the police department. We acknowledge the court's decision.